First of all, gold H4 time frame. First, it make this triple bottom. Since then, price is constantly going up and it is making higher high with higher low. But now it is making sideway range between 1824 and 1774. So these two are your key level before next breakout, because right now price is sideways on this previous resistance zone. First it tested two times, but now it is making correction on that resistance zone. After breakout, next target will be next resistance zone, that is 1880. This is your next target after breakout, and there is a possible ending diagonal chart pattern here. That is why people think it can drop back to 1720 level. But every week we got bullish news. So last week Bank of Japan decision that in future they will raise interest rate. Things have changed, because if Bank of Japan hike interest rate, that's mean dollar will weak. But overall next year 2023 dollar will be varies. So once breakout come of this range, next target will be 1880, and your support first can be 1774 and next 1765. But you can call it your first impulsive wave, then correction, and if we do sub wave of this wave, then A, B, C, and we can call it next impulsive wave of lower degree, small a. Then this is your correction, and after correction and new impulsive wave of lower degree C will start, because that FOMC meeting 75 basis point rate hike. Then on December FOMC meeting they decrease rate hike to 50, but in Feb FOMC meeting rate hike size will be 25 basis point. So that is why price is bullish. And on Friday PCE number, which is key indicator for Fed interest rate, came down and it is below 5%. So core PCE number is below 5%, while Fed is saying 5.1% rate for next year 2023. So in March 2023 FOMC meeting, they will stop hiking interest rate. Then our new trend start. Right now there was rate hike trend, and in which size was increasing from 25 to 50, then 75. Since that trend has been ended, that is why gold price are up, because officially rate hike size has now decreased to 50, and in next they will decrease to 25. Then our next trend start, rate pause, and immediately when one monetary policy trend and another start, market never wait for next trend, because after rate pause next trend is favorite for gold, which is rate cut, and rate cut can start in December 2023. But all the economic indicator next year 2023 like CPI, NFP and ISM number, all of these things will only go down. That is lag effect of monetary policy. Basically when they hike interest rate, real effect can see in economy after 1 year, that's mean 12 month. So everybody know that in next year 2023 all of this economic indicator will drop, and these trader buy before actual news. So they will buy gold before rate cut and when real rate cut will start, they will start dumping gold. So that first rate hike trend when gold was coming down has been ended, and next two trend pause and rate cut has been started. But in March 2023, that pause trend will also end and we will have only one trend, rate cut. So this week again, because there is no big news in economic calendar, it can stay sideways, but immediately when next year start in calendar, it can break this range to upside. And if we see daily time frame, then this support 1622 where it made triple bottom, that was our support. Then our next support is 1727, price level 1807, and price is testing this level again and again. Sometimes it goes up and sometimes goes down, but it is sideways correction on this resistance zone. And next resistance will be 1880, because this resistance zone is our key level for next selling entry, because these bulls who bought triple bottom are not stopping before this resistance zone. So upper area 1920 and lower area 1880, this is your resistance zone, and our first target will be lower level 1880. So once breakout come after sideways range, these bulls will target this resistance area 1880. And in Feb FOMC meeting, most important thing, FOMC member will change. So right now members like Bullard who are hawkish, when first time price tested this 1786 level, he recommended the rate can go up to 7%. Those FOMC member will change and new member will come. So after Feb FOMC meeting, all the FOMC member will be dovish. So those hawkish FOMC member who were sending gold down will go and new member will come. And people are still locked in that mindset of fourth quarter monetary policy trend, but quarter soon will change. This is last week and people do not want to change their mind. And if we go to H1 time frame, then this was your first impulsive wave and it came down. Since this bottom, it is going up. It went up, the stop was made on CPI. Then after FOMC, it came down, retraced 50%, and since then it is going up. So first resistance 1824 and first support 1775, and between these two levels, this is your sideways range. Monthly time frame, just for a minute, if you look, while intraday trader never look at monthly time frame. This big blue candle on monthly time frame and this second have only one week, but what will happen next? In 2023 there will be global recession, and which can turn into deep recession. But 2024 they cannot keep their interest rate at 5%, they have to cut. So you as a beginner trader, if 1824 level breaks, then you know after this retracement level a new impulsive wave will come. Or if 1775 level breaks, then next support will be 1764. But since this bottom which was made near 1620, gold price is bullish.